This is Gundam? Hmm. You have collection for this?
Yeah, I have collection. I collect like figure as well, like statue.
You want to buy it?
Yeah, I'm just browsing if they have more.
Okay. Maybe your cousin like that.
Yeah. I know.
Ano, Totong, huh?
Huh?
Tito Totong no,
You like this one?
I don't know, Tito Totong no
Oh, it's
bata.
Support in choosing the ideal products to meet your needs.
Gunpla, made in Japan. Tax free dati.
Do I have to?
Tax free and travel value.
At each floor. At each floor do I pay?
Yes. Maybe they will ask your passport.
Yeah, I have my passport.
Did you bring?
Or tax-free purchases. You can even try out the latest beauty products for free at your leisure.
Take pictures. I'll take pictures. Okay, nandito na po sa Reno. Going there, we're going there. We're going at the top. We're in Bueno Station. Na-transfer kami dito puntang Asakusa. Asakusa Shrine. Ayan. Marami na shopping yung ano ko. Ayan. Yung apo ko. Okay lang naman, pera niya naman yan. Ako wala akong pambili. Okay, where are we going now?
Narita?
No, Asakusa.
Ueno, Tokyo Line.
Joban,
Joban.
no. You know, you can ride here. Is a bullet train? This one is bullet train.
Oh.
We asked the counter if I forgot already.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, the place is different. You know, the train is it's different.
Pulling off na.
That's Ginza. That's Ginza line. This train is different company.
Bullet train daw.
No, this bullet train. Subway. Ginza line.
Let's see what I buy there. That's fine. Going home, I'll be the counter. I'm still restraining myself right now. I'm thinking to myself like, wait, why am I restraining myself? I came here on vacation. Have fun.
You know, in Tokyo, it's a big city.
No, I go by living. Work hard, play hard. So I work hard to save up almost 2,000 for the trip. So I have a feeling I'm going to spend it out. And then yeah. This is my reward for saving up, restraining myself. Yeah. It's like my grad gift also.
Malaki yung station na. This is a big station. Ginza Line. So another escalator. Another escalator. This is subway. Here. Subway.
Okay. And I think when I go there, I make sure to go to Don Quixote there.
Pakasikip ng ano na to. Ng subway na to. Ano mo yung bubong ni maaabot mo eh. Ito yung kalesa dito oh. Pero ang the one is operating that is not a horse. Yeah, that's one. Nandito na kami sa papunta ng Shinsuji Temple.
Across the street or here?
No, here. This one. Okay. Here. Want to take picture?
If you can take picture of me by iPhone, yeah. I just
Here. Guys, ito yung Shinsuji Temple dito sa Asakusa.
That's the one.
You want ice cream? You want ice cream?
I'm not hungry.
Yeah, but
You want ice cream?
This one. Kailangan palamig tayo. Ito. Bumili kami nito. Like a stone.
Isn't it?
Papunta na kami sa ano, Sensoji Temple sa Sakusa. Nandito na kami sa Sensoji Temple. Guys, yan yung ano,
Because we have 2 hours
Sky
I have
tree.
to go inside.
Sky Tree. Hindi masyado makita.
Is it worth it for you to get a kimono or no?
No.
No?
Expensive.
Really?
No.
And it's made from China.
Yes, yes.
I see damn people wearing kimono. So I was like, maybe good souvenir. Just say I did it.
But it's expensive, you know.
How expensive per se?
There, you know, there's a kimono is only for usable, and there's kimono that good for party. That's that's the expensive one. This one is for party. That one. This one. This one is for if they have a festival. They use it. They wear it. But the most expensive one is the one they use it in wedding party. This one is cheaper.
Can I do that one also? Why not?
But
That one?
I don't know. I did not try it.
I try, why not?
It's bitter. We'll go there and then
Go there? Okay, done.
a little bit give coins and then pray. Then pray. Japanese pray. Japanese style. You can give any coins. Small coins. It's okay.
You think you would take picture with me on the stairs
Okay.
with my phone?
Ito na yung Sensoji Temple. This one you can get the smoke or bitter life. Do you agree? Okay, I will take picture for you. Akyat kami dito guys. Magpe-pray kami tapos mag-offer kami ng money. Here. Yeah, you can put coins.
How many coins did you say? Like you get
Ini.
I just get below.
Ini coins. Okay. Let's go.
Kung nire ba?
Tapos sa loob na kami guys. Dito sila nagpe-pray mga hapon.
Oh yeah, I just do it there.
Okay. Napakaraming tao.
What is this one? Okay. Like the candle?
Yeah, if you want put candle inside. Okay guys, nakauwi na po ako sa bahay. Hindi ko na nakunan yung pagpunta namin sa Skytree kasi pagod na pagod ako. Hindi na nga ako sumama sa taas. Pinabayaan ko na lang yung aking apo na siya umakyat doon kasi nakatatlong beses na rin naman ako nakaakyat dyan. Sawa na ako. So pagod na ako kaya sabi ko may iwan ako dito sa coffee shop para hintayin na lang kita. So hanggang sa nakauwi ako guys, hindi na ako nakapag-outro. So dito na ako sa bahay ngayon at dito na ako mag-outro. So bago tayo mag-outro ay magsi-shoutout muna tayo sa ating supporters. Pingay Vlog, mega shoutout. Panlasang Bisaya Channel, mega shoutout. O si Pinoy's Lifestyle Vlog, mega shoutout. Bida Mix Vlog, mega shoutout. Karayaan Mix Vlog, mega shoutout. Magnet G, Manwit G, mega shoutout. Florindas Vlog, mega shoutout. Diwata Ilaw Vlog, mega shoutout. Eden Mix Vlog, mega shoutout. Kati Mix Vlog, mega shoutout. Mary Luz Vlog, mega shoutout. Jelogs, mega shoutout. Aling Dalisay, mega shoutout. 1010 TV Vlog, mega shoutout. Lori TV, ako si Dons, mega shoutout. Brenda Diasis Vlog, mega shoutout. Dongski, mega shoutout. Lynn Afundar, mega shoutout. At yung ating mga masugid na supporters, AB Mix Vlog, mega shoutout. Sunrise Love TV, Genuine Love TV, Ate Hides Vlog, Rosit Aurelio, Songangers Mix Vlog, at ang pinakahuli sa lahat, ang idol natin si Miss Noy, mega shoutout. So hanggang dito na yung ating vlog for today. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, kita-kita tayo sa aking next video. Bye bye and God bless.